We are right now at the Kowloon Center with Mr. Arvin Devella.
And Denmark.
So Arvin, how do you find Hong Kong so far? We are right now here at the MTR bus train, and we are currently at Kowloon doing nothing but taking shots of ourselves. This is how the train looks like here. It's very spacious with all the luggages placed over there. There's our luggage. So, how do you find it so far? Oh, the train is moving. We are just one stop away to Hong Kong, where we will take the green line to go to North Ibis or North Point. This is how it looks like. Wow, tagal.
Next station, Hong Kong. 下一站香港。
Oh shit, ang bilis lang ah. Tingnan mo, if you look at the lights, hindi siya gumagalaw. Pero if you look at here, gumagalaw siya. Oh, bakit? How did that happen? Kasi diba? Oh, if you look at it, it's not moving. It's not flashing. We are running to the right. Anyway, more videos to come later. Bakit nakapag-video? Tapos